Hey friends, hope you are doing great. Today in this video, I would like to talk to you about this one special person in my life. This person has been with me throughout my life from the time I've started to understand myself, from the time I've started to have thoughts and feelings about things. She has been there with me throughout my life and through all good and bad times. She's been the best friend I can ever have, and it's none other than myself. As a child, I had a very chatty mind. I used to talk to myself all the time, like what I liked, what I didn't like. I also used to ask opinions on certain matters. I used to think it's sort of weird talking to myself and that nobody else did, it was just me. But now that I know, thoughts are a natural process and it happens, and as somebody said, thoughts are something that really defines us. I always try to stop the negative self talk. I sometimes think that if my best friend comes to me with a problem, I would definitely be there for her. I would listen to her, try to understand her situation, support her, and encourage her and help her in whichever way I can. Then why do I have to criticize myself if I am facing such a situation? Failures happen all the time. You fail only when you try. If you're not failing, that means you're just not trying. And if you're not trying, you are just standing right there where you were on the sidelines. So, whenever I am in such a situation, I rather than pulling myself down, try to convince myself that everything will be all right. I try to be more kind to myself. That gives me a lot of peace. I used to be very conscious about myself when I was younger. But nowadays, I don't care. I don't look for validation outside so much anymore. I know I can be a pretty good friend, and I've come to realize that I love my company too. Nobody is perfect. Everybody has their flaws, and everybody makes mistakes. But when they are close to us, we oversee it and forgive them for whatever wrong they have done. But when it comes to us, we make ourselves feel so guilty about it and beat ourselves for that. It is easy for us to accept others' flaws, especially those whom we love so much. Then why it is so difficult to accept our own flaws? I always try to avoid self-criticism. But that's difficult when people around you keep on pointing out your mistakes all the time. But that's the time when you need to be there for yourself. That's the time when you need to be your best friend. Actually, we all have it in ourselves to give ourselves what we need without seeking it externally. We just have to support ourselves just like we would a very close friend. If nothing helps, I just go on long walks. It helps me clear my mind. It also helps me get new ideas. It's so wonderful being around so much greenery that it helps me take my mind off any negativity around me. During such times, I like to take my mind off all the negativity and engage my mind into things or activities that I love doing. You all must have heard 1,000 times about the benefits of meditation, and I cannot stress enough. Although, as I said, my mind keeps on chattering, so it's difficult for me to concentrate, but I do give it a try once in a while. I also like to put my mind into making crafts and also experimenting with colors, just pushing my creative sense. Each completed project makes me really proud of myself. I also like to spend time with my plants, just taking care of them, just watching them, the beauty of these flowers, and when I see vegetables on my vegetable plant, all that just makes all the effort worthwhile. Even though I have a lot of people around me to support me, but still I always consider myself as my best friend. So dear friends, if there would be one message that you would take away from this video, it would be to be kind and compassionate to your own self. Just forgive your past mistakes and don't be too harsh to yourself. Accept who you are, the way you are, your good and your bad. When you accept yourself as it is, then you'll be free of all your emotional baggage that you're carrying around. I'm happy that I could share my views on this to you guys. Hope to see you around in my next video. And until then, take care and be happy. Bye.